Sicon Manufacturing is aimed at businesses wanting to monitor, control and simplify their systems by providing a single view of their data. Appealing to a wide range of organisations, this solution caters for discrete, continuous, bespoke and hybrid production processes. Working seamlessly with other Sicon solutions including shop floor data capture and barcoding and warehousing, this provides a complete solution for the needs of fast-moving, agile manufacturing organisations. For example, enabling production staff to remotely clock on, off works order operations, record inspection results and issue allocated components. Available as a suite, Sicon Manufacturing includes projects, kitting, material and resource planning (MRP) and works order processing (WOP). Alternatively, these modules can be purchased individually, making this a truly flexible solution for your business. Key features: fully integrated with Sage 200. Sicon Manufacturing modules are installed and maintained within Sage 200, meaning the modules look, feel and act as part of Sage 200. Real-time data availability. Centralized data within Sage 200 enables businesses to make better informed decisions through data accuracy and visibility. Controls stock, materials and resources. Improved planning through works order processing and project costing modules lead to more efficient stock control, cost control and improved customer service. Key benefits. Data visibility and cost analysis from demand to creation ensures businesses can control and monitor costs to help improve profitability. This solution is just as beneficial for one-off project costed manufacturers as it is for high-volume repeat production manufacturers. Manual and complex business processes can be streamlined, leading to improved efficiencies and increased profitability. Integrates fully with Sage 200 stock and BOM, providing a single solution and enabling a smoother deployment for existing Sage 200 users, saving time and resources. Sicon MRP combined with WOP includes functionality for rough cut capacity planning, delivering better visualization of the production schedule. Sicon projects for manufacturing. Integrates perfectly into bespoke manufacturing environments to capture stock, purchase orders, timesheets and other costs to give budget versus actual comparison. Kitting. A simple single level bill of materials module that can be amended prior to building the finished product, either for stock or directly within the Sage 200 sales order. Material and resource planning (MRP). When used in conjunction with Sicon WOP, this module provides a simple MRP solution, creating suggested works orders and purchase orders to fulfill demand. Included rough cut capacity planning delivers a real-time graphical user interface for labour and machine demand against availability. Works order processing (WOP). Sicon WOP captures production data from a variety of sources, including stock, labour, machine and subcontractors, giving visibility of overall finished product costs and updating stock levels. Whilst WOP can work independently of Sage 200 BOM, when combined this provides enhanced functionality to create works orders. Functionality can be extended with the addition of Sicon shop floor data capture and/or Sicon barcoding and warehousing. Shop floor data capture. An Android-based app that links to both the Sicon works order and Sicon projects to allow real-time capture of operation progress and elapsed times. The addition of this module allows users to issue allocated stock and record inspection results. Barcoding and warehousing. An Android-based app that allows manufacturing businesses to interact more efficiently with Sage 200. Examples include receiving and putting away stock, picking and issuing stock to a works order, and dispatching sales orders. This is just a sample of the functionality that's available. For more information, please refer to our website www.sicon.co.uk.